a $170,000 legend with a roaring 351 Windsor V8, a shaker hood, and the attitude that made the Mustang Mach 1 an American icon. This is the 1969 Ford Mustang Fastback Mach 1. What's up, everyone? Subscribe to the channel because today we're taking a look at a true American muscle masterpiece, a 1969 Ford Mustang Fastback Mach 1 that represents everything enthusiasts love about the golden era of performance cars. With its aggressive styling, legendary V8 power, manual transmission, and a restoration built to impress even the most serious collectors, this Mach 1 is not just a classic Mustang, it is a piece of automotive history valued at $170,000. The first thing that captures your attention is the unmistakable presence of this 1969 Mustang Mach 1. Finished in a stunning Indian fire red exterior paint, this fastback commands attention from every angle. The bright yellow striping creates the perfect contrast against the deep red body, giving this Mustang the aggressive appearance that defined the Mach 1 name. Every line, every curve, and every detail tells a story of late 1960s American performance design. The black hood immediately adds a muscular appearance, but this is not just a visual upgrade. Sitting proudly on top is the iconic shaker hood induction system. The shaker hood became one of the most recognizable features of high-performance Mustangs, allowing the engine's personality to become part of the exterior design. When the V8 comes alive, the shaker hood reminds everyone that this Mustang was built for excitement. Under the hood sits a powerful 351 CI Windsor V8 engine equipped with a 4-barrel carburetor. This combination delivers the classic muscle car experience that enthusiasts dream about: instant throttle response, deep V8 sound, and the raw mechanical character that modern vehicles simply cannot recreate. The engine bay represents the perfect balance between vintage performance and carefully restored craftsmanship. Adding to the driving experience is a Tremec 5-speed manual transmission. While classic Mustang fans appreciate the original feel of vintage gearboxes, this upgrade brings modern confidence and improved drivability. The extra gear allows smoother highway cruising while keeping the driver connected to the power of the Windsor V8. Every shift through the Hurst shifter creates that unmistakable connection between driver and machine. The rear drivetrain setup maintains the classic Mustang personality with a factory-style rear end and a 351 open differential. Combined with power steering, this Mach 1 offers a comfortable yet exciting driving experience. It delivers the kind of balance that makes a classic muscle car enjoyable both on the street and at special events. The stance of this Mustang is completed by legendary Magnum 500 wheels wrapped in BF Goodrich Radial T tires. The 235/60/15 front tires and wider 255/60/15 rear tires give the car a planted, aggressive appearance while maintaining the traditional muscle car look. These wheels are a perfect match for the Mach 1's bold design. Moving around the exterior, every detail has been carefully restored. The rear window louver adds classic fastback styling, while the rear spoiler creates a sporty performance appearance. The front splitter enhances the aggressive front-end design, making this Mustang look ready to attack the road even while sitting still. Underneath, the attention to detail continues. The wheel wells have been painted, new hardware has been installed throughout, and the floorboards have been finished in matching body color for a clean show quality appearance. The stock style exhaust system with quad exhaust tips provides the perfect finishing touch, delivering the traditional muscle car look from the rear. Inside the cabin, this Mach 1 creates a unique combination of luxury and nostalgia. The white vinyl interior contrasts beautifully with the exterior color combination, creating a premium classic atmosphere. The bucket seats provide the perfect driving position, while the wood trim adds a touch of sophistication. The black carpeting center console, and Hurst shifter complete the classic performance interior. The driver receives a full gauge package, allowing complete awareness of the vehicle's performance, while the passenger side clock and factory-style radio maintain the original character of the Mustang design. The three-spoke factory steering wheel places the driver in control of one of Ford's most celebrated muscle cars. Every detail inside reminds you that this was built during an era when driving was about emotion, sound, and connection. The 1969 Ford Mustang Fastback Mach 1 represents more than just horsepower and styling. It represents an era when manufacturers created machines with personality. The combination of the 351 Windsor V8 Tremec 5-speed transmission, shaker hood, aggressive exterior styling, and carefully restored interior makes this Mustang a collector's dream. At $170,000, this Mach 1 stands as a premium example of classic American muscle. It captures the spirit of the late 1960s while offering upgrades that make it enjoyable for modern driving. From the moment you see the Indian fire red paint shining under the lights to the moment you hear the Windsor V8 come alive, this Mustang delivers an experience that few cars can match. This is not just a Mustang. This is a symbol of American performance, a fastback icon, and a timeless piece of muscle car history that continues to turn heads more than 5 decades later.